Today is a big day for the Makeshift Project YouTube channel. We hit a huge milestone. We hit 100,000 subscribers. Let's get a round of applause.
I can't believe it. I never thought we'd be there. It was always a dream of yours, became a dream of mine when we started chasing down the number. Happy to say we finally made it. And what did YouTube do? They did what they should have done. Sent us a plaque.
We got the plaque, baby. I ripped off the address so you guys can't stalk my house. But this is the plaque. We are going to do an unboxing right now. I don't know how it's going to go. Do you have keys? There we go. He has the keys. He has the keys.
Should we do like one corner at a time?
Just do it. Just open it. So we're opening the box. 100,000 subscribers. Thank you guys for subscribing. Next stop is 500K. Next stop's 1 million. And then we're going for it all. So this is the opening, the big reveal. We got a nice little styrofoam on top and
Let's take it off.
oh wow, we got a little thing. Damn. That's sick.
Let's show this to the people.
Do you remember your first YouTube subscriber, your 100th, or your 1,000th subscriber? Chances are you do. And we know you'll definitely remember your 100,000th subscriber. It's a long thing, but they're basically congratulating us. This is pretty awesome. The CEO of YouTube sent us this plaque. She signed it at the bottom.
Personally signed from the CEO of YouTube.
Damn, that is pretty awesome.
This is sick. Where are we gonna put it?
Put it right here. Right?
Yeah,
So it's in every video.
It's in mine and then yours.
Yeah.
It's got a mirror in it. Look, you can see yourself.
Yeah, that is.
You know why? Because you're the star. All right. Thank you, everyone who subscribed. Thank you guys for following the TikTok, Instagram, everything across the platform. We wouldn't be doing it if you guys didn't like the content. So always appreciate it. And I think that's a wrap.
Next stop, the moon.